A warm and dry pattern continues on the Gulf Coast. That'll continue for your Tuesday. Here is your planner across the area. We could see some morning fog in spots, but the afternoon mostly sunny and very warm with temperatures in the upper 70s and 80s. Tomorrow afternoon, your high temperatures really getting well up into the 80s for our inland spots. 87 degrees in Monroeville, 88 in Evergreen, in Bruton, 86 in Atmore, 87 in Chatham and Calvert. Temperature 80 degrees down at Gulf Shores with moderate surf down at the beach. Let's talk about the beach forecast. We'll start in Dauphin Island. We have southerly winds happening, 74 degrees. So water temperatures in the low 70s, that medium risk of rip currents there. Pay attention whenever you're getting into the water. Burn times quick, 15 to 20 minutes with a very high UV index. Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, again, temperature close to 80 degrees tomorrow afternoon. In Pensacola Beach, probably a lovely looking day down there, 76 degrees. Surf not too bad at that medium risk of rip currents continuing. Again, your water temperatures are in the low 70s. Some people are marking that is a little cool feeling. So be prepared for that if you're heading down to the beach. Fort Walton Beach and Destin at 78 degrees tomorrow afternoon with pretty much mostly sunny skies, partly sunny. 79, 80, 79, the forecast in the days ahead, with medium risk of rip currents continuing down at the beach. Temperatures warm at the coast, but if you look inland later on this week, it's going to be really warm. How about Friday? I'm skipping way ahead in the forecast, but I wanted to show you the big 90, 90 degrees for some of our inland spots. Chatham, Monroeville, Evergreen at 90 there on Friday, 89 Atmore and Bruton. Note the forecast in Mobile, 85 degrees. So coastal areas, because of the water temperatures, held down a bit with temperatures. So the long-range pattern shows the warm temperatures sticking around despite the fact that we get a front Saturday into Sunday that is going to knock temperature down just a couple degrees. Still above average here, and slightly muggy feel in the forecast with the muggy meter showing us in that noticeable too muggy category. With this, we have moisture, so we could see some fog in the morning. Can't rule out fog tomorrow morning. As I mentioned, you can see that popping up on our Futurecast model. Then Tuesday afternoon, no weather issues except for the sunshine and warm temperatures. Then Wednesday, here you go with the fog development with that moisture that's in place. What about rain chances? No. Really not much. This is not the best situation for us here in terms of drought. We have only 20% chance only on our Thursday, Sunday, a very small chance with that front passing through that I mentioned earlier. You can see the rainfall forecast over the next 7 days with the GFS. It's just so dry here. Only a couple coastal showers, I think, as we get to Thursday with a weak disturbance passing through. Look at the little bump right here. You can see that little dip there. That is our disturbance on Thursday, but bigger system could come in on Sunday. Right now, keeping the rain chance very low. Here it is in your 7-day outlook. A very quiet forecast. Good for spring breakers, not great for the drought conditions.